So in the summary of the model, we can see that the p-value were all significant less than 0.005. So which means there were significant difference between among those groups before and compared to after receiving the positive interventions. And it also provides us with the t-values which we can use to get our effect size. So in the next, we also can conduct to examine the positive, the post hoc test. It's similar to the NOVA we have run and the results we get from there. It all shows that the p-value were significant less than 0.05. So we can have the conclusion that the positive intervention has significant effect on people's anxiety, and the more time spent on the positive intervention, the less anxiety people will feel. So in the next, we want to get the effect size. Those are the data we get from the results we have done. So right here we get all the effect size were significant and large effect size, and the first is first contrast group, and this is the second contrast group and third contrast group. So it all shows that the no intervention, this is the no intervention, and compared to the other different amount of time spent on the positive interventions, it shows that it has a large effect size. It can be similar applied to the contrast 2 and contrast 3.